Hello everyone, my name is Vinit Kamara. Today I am going to introduce my new software, that is inventory management system, which is I built in PHP and MySQL. As we all know, any application which is built in PHP and MySQL can run in three platforms. First, single system, second is multi-system, that is intranet, and third is internet. Before you know how to use this software, first I tell you why I made this software. You see, there are already many traditional software like Tally, Excel, Microsoft Word, Notepad, or even a manual handwriting. Now to use a Tally or Excel, you first have to do a course to understand a Tally or Excel. Then you are able to maintain any inventory management system, which is very difficult and lengthy. To overcome these drawbacks, I made this software which is very user friendly and there is no need to do any course. So now let us start. You see, there are two login, the admin and operator. Operator has lesser authority as compared to the admin. Admin has a sole authority to create a new operator. So we will start with admin login. You see, these are the facility which is given to the admin, where he can view the product, and if he wants to delete, he can delete from here. He can view the parties. He can also add a new admin if he wants to add, give access to the admin. He can see the daily expenses of the office. From here he can also add from here directly, and he can delete. Here we can add a new operator, which I already. Now we will directly go to the operator login. I will. These are the facility which will given to the operator. I will directly go to show you to save your time. These are the parties. Any inventory management system, if you are a wholesaler, these are the dealers who will sell your product, and from here you can see your stock and product. Now from here you can see in your stock you have total this much of the quantity and from worth this much of amount. So we will directly from here you can also view the expenses, and you can add new expenses of daily expenses, which I given facility in this software. Now we will go directly to the sales order. You see, there is no previous order, so we will create new one, new invoice number. He wants 100 quantity worth this much amount. Give 20% of this, 10% of discount. He wants more product. So scan star 30,000. This much amount. So this much of amount he wants to. From here you can. So this party has taken two product worth this much amount. Now we create another new sales order. From we have previous one. Now he wants your this 10%. Now, so if you want to see your product from here, how much left in your stock, you can directly search from that particular product. This much of the quantity you have in your stock worth this much amount, this much of amount. has order. You have left in this much of the quantity in your stack. There is no return. So from here, if any defect or anything happen in your product or not able to sell, they will return your product. So from there you can track. You can from here you can add one, say 30 quantity of your product you are not able to sell, he will return. So now we will see the product. From here now we will search again to see the difference. See, now this much of amount before return, he returned 30 amount, so your stock balance is increases by 30. You can also search from here the balance sheet, particular party, how much amount they had taken. So you can click here, you directly come his name, or you can also able to print, directly take a balance sheet. See, he has two product worth this much of amount. Now he returned 30s. Before return this much he paid nothing. So we go to the receipt voucher. 01. Now we will select from here. He paid you in cash worth 1 lakh. On that day you can put a remark. Now we will add. Now we will see the balance sheet from here. You are able to understand. He had nothing written, so total balance is this much you have to take from him. Or if he returns any product from here, 002 party name, date, taken you this product worth of this amount, say 20 product he has written, 10% discount. Now we will go to the search box again, balance it. You see, these are the total sales order, these are the return amount. Before return this much, after return this much of amount. So total balance has to be taken from this much. We have to take from that party. So you see, from there are different type of search box. You can see particular party order winning. You can see that order this, or if you want to see party receipt, how many times he paid, this much he paid. We have to take this much of amount from him. Automatically it will generate. So it is very useful. If you want to use this software, there is no need. From here you can add